In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move or transfer a domain name from GoDaddy to new account host, Google Domains. Here's the plan. We'll move a domain from your GoDaddy account to another GoDaddy account, which is the cleanest way to hand off ownership. Once it's in the recipient's account, they can keep your current DNS or point the domain to a different host, like Google Domains DNS, if that's the end goal. Before you start, make sure the recipient has a GoDaddy account, you have their customer number, and both of you can access your email. First, sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your profile menu and head to My Products. In the Domains section, choose Manage All, so you're looking at the full domain portfolio view. From there, open the Transfers area. Select Transfer Between Accounts. This option moves the domain internally from your account to someone else's GoDaddy account without downtime in most cases. You'll be asked for the recipient's email address and their GoDaddy customer number. Type these carefully. This is how GoDaddy makes sure the domain lands in the right account. Next, choose whether to copy the current domain contact information. If you copy the contacts, the existing registrant, admin, and tech details move with the domain, and the recipient can update them later. If you don't copy them, the recipient will provide their own contact details during acceptance. Either way, keep the information accurate for ICANN requirements. Click Send Transfer Request. If prompted, verify your identity. This can include entering a code sent to your email or completing two-factor authentication. This step protects your domain from unauthorized changes. Now switch to the recipient side. They should check their email for a notification about the pending domain transfer. If they miss the email, they can log into GoDaddy, go to the transfers page, and open the Transfers In tab. There, they'll see the domain waiting for action, have the recipient click Accept Transfer, and follow the on-screen prompts. They may need to confirm contact information and agree to terms. Once accepted, the transfer usually completes quickly since it's an internal move. Name servers and DNS settings typically remain the same, so your website and email should continue working. If the goal is to use a different DNS provider, like Google Domains DNS, the recipient can update name servers after the transfer is finished. To wrap up, watch for confirmation emails on both sides, check spam if needed, and review auto-renew settings in the new account so renewals don't lapse. That's it. Your domain is safely handed off and ready for its next home.